Welcome everyone to Moody for Knowledge channels. Muhammad Abdul Rahim here. I hope everyone benefits from the channel's content. Today I will explain how to install ArcMap program in a very easy way. As you know, ArcMap is a very important program in many fields such as geology, mining engineer, surveying, civil engineer, etc. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Hello again. The first step to install the ArcGIS program is to go to ArcGIS Desktop 10.2. Okay, the first step, open the ArcGIS Desktop 10.2, this first folder. Okay, I prefer list view. Okay, and then double click on this icon, whose icon in the form of a computer, as you can see. Setup.msi. Windows installer preparing to install. Then a welcome window. Welcome to the ArcGIS 10.2 for desktop setup program. Press next. Then this window appear, license agreement, desktop setup. We have two choice. We press on the first options. I accept the license agreement. Okay, this window it's about the license approval. Okay, and we put a check mark on the first option, as you can see, so we can approve the license, and then we click on next. This window, select installation type. From this window we choose the first one. We have complete or custom. We choose first one, complete. It's mean full full installation, and then we click next. Okay, and a window appear, destination folder. Select a folder where the application will be installed. Okay, we can change the location in our PC from here, from change. Okay. Yeah, from this window we choose where we want to save the file extensions. Okay, after specifying the appropriate place on the device, and press next. And then this window appear. It's about programming language. As we can see, Python destination folder. From this window appear through which we specify the place to save the programming language in a suitable place on the device. And this program uses Python language. By the way, the Python language it is one of the easiest programming. Anyone wants to learn programming language, I advise him to start with learn Python language. From here we can change the place of the folder. Then press next. Here, ready to install the program. The wizard is ready to begin installation. Here we put the check mark on this small box and click install. Installing ArcGIS program. Okay, just now. Wait till the green line complete. After finish installation, appears this window. ArcGIS 10.2 has been successfully installed. Then we click on finish. Now minimize this screen and go to Start button, and then type arc, and go to arc administrator. ArcGIS administrator wizard. Okay, put a mark here and put a mark here, and then press OK. After the installation is complete, we go to we move to the license 10.2 Windows. Open folder. Okay, I prefer list view. We click on the installation icon for the license. Install Windows Installer, and then welcome window to the ArcGIS License Manager setup program. This window explaining the approval of the license, and we choose the accept the license agreement. We choose the first option, which is approval or agreement. We click on next. This window that shows readiness to install or the destination folder license manager setup, and we can change the place from here. Press next. This window ready to install the program, showing the readiness to install the license, and we click install. After finish of the license installations, this window appears that shows the completion of the installation process, and we click on finish. After the license 10.2 Windows is complete, we move to the CRAC file to activate it. We open the CRAC file and change the name. We change the name inside the service file to the device name. Okay, open service file. Okay, minimize this window, minimize. To get the device name, we go to my PC or my computer, right click, click on setting, rename this PC, and then copy the device name inside the service. Here, take PC name, copy, paste, then close file, save. After that, we make copies of both file, ArcGIS plus control and determine service. Okay, right click, copy. Then we move to local C device and go to program, file, multiply 86. Open ArcGIS. License. Go to bin file here. And then insert two file inside this bin folder. Right click, paste. replace the file in the destination. 1. Do this for all folders. Continue. Okay, in the same folder here, we go to lsa admin.exe, double click. Yes. From this window, we want to activate the license reading. We click on Start License, Stop License Service, Start Stop License Service. A window appears, we click on Start License, and then Reread License. Rereading license. First program read the license. And okay, here is the last step. We go to the start menu, type Arc GIS Administrator, click on desktop. Here advance, put check mark on the first option, and then here we put the device name, change, go to my PC, properties, rename this device, copy, paste, okay, apply, okay, and then go to start menu and open your program. ArcMap 10.2. In upcoming videos, we will make applications on this program. Please leave your comments on a comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.